in the egg too long.
I admire you for your pluck, strictly ingenue. He may be no pin-up duck, neither dear are you.
Well, I must be going. I heard the children from the farmhouse are throwing French bread into the water. Sounds très chic. I wouldn't want to miss out.
Look at me, what's it done?
Isn't it obvious?
Why, I think you all laugh and scoff.
Have you seen your reflection?
Why don't you play with the fish heads?
Because you scared them off.
Look at him. You admit he is a bit extreme.
Now parents will start whittling him.
Just a variation on a theme. Truly a reason. I want to see my son left out on a limb. Why is it that everyone has to jeer?
There's your answer, dear.
Look at him.
Peck, peck, peck. Well, I hate to be picky, but the duck peck, peck looks a little bit dicky. Look at him rot.
Did you ever see a pig with wings?
Look at him rot.
Genetics do the strangest things.
Though the thought may not appeal, break the ties that bind. If you gave the cat a meal, nobody would mind. Rot.
Line up, everyone. Someone's at the front. Look at him. He's an ugly one, there is no doubt. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Look at him. Does he have giblets inside out? Gobble, gobble, gobble. What else could explain his looks being quite so rough? How on earth would four main cuts know which end to stuff?
Look at him, look at us, see the difference. Look at him, look at us, where's the match?
Sometimes we find it is kinder if some eggs never hatched.
Now that's what I call a snack. Look at him, still a duckling, but there's so much more. Look at him, finest cat food that I ever saw. Better still, he won't be missed. They think he's a flop. Maybe they'll let me assist giving him the chop.
Now, in a moment you'll be presented to her, the finest duck in the lake. She was once paired with a mandarin, and you would notice that she has a red banded cloth round her. That's the greatest distinction a duck can enjoy. It means that she's looked up to by both man and animal.
Now don't turn your toes in, just bow your heads politely and say quack.
Wait, 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 wait. Honk. Look at him. Now they're ruining our photographs.
Imagine how he's feeling. In a way, he's quite appealing.
Look at him, look at him. Na, 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 na.
Relationship was also a chartreuse. It was like Sag Harbor.
I think you mean Pearl Harbor, dear.
You can have